Okay, so I started recording this thing, right? I was supposed to finish this, or I was supposed to do this shed on Monday, but I couldn't do anything because the weather was really bad and it was raining. And then I put the camera to record at the beginning. This morning I started like 11:30. Right now it's about 4 o'clock. I think it's about 4. It's Saturday. Yeah, it's 3:54. Right there, 3:54 p.m. Then I ran out of welding wire, and I had to go to Home Depot. So far I already have the frame. I welded the bottom. Again, you know, I thought I was recording but the camera or the battery went out, and for some reason I lost all the data. It didn't record anything, so 2.5 hours of recording were gone. So again, I'm gonna continue on. Hopefully I can get it, hopefully I can finish it today. Not finish it, I'm gonna work till I can today. Already, like you see, I already got the frame on, or the frame, I'm working on the frame. The base is already done. Part of the base where you see right here, I built that about 5 years ago. But the wood on top of it is already rotten. Haven't used that for a while. So what you're gonna be seeing is just a time lapse. Because, you know, if I explain everything that I'm doing, it's gonna make the video super long. It's gonna be about a 30-minute video. But yeah, I'm not going to be explaining everything, so all you're going to be seeing is a time lapse. So let me replace this wire, because again, I ran out when I was welding the frame. So I was going to build this shed out of wood, but since it's going to be housing a plasma cutter, I just invested a little extra and I'm going to make it completely out of metal. That way, you know, sparks fly, I don't have to worry about a fire hazard or anything. It's gonna be all metal. I was trying to buy one of those containers, you know, those shipping containers, but they were gonna take about 3 weeks to deliver it, and I was like, you know, just go ahead and build it. So by the time I finish this build, it's gonna cost me about $1,000. If I would have bought the building or the one of those shipping containers, it would have cost me $2,200. So I will be saving a little bit of money on this. So let me get back to work. Okay, so I'm gonna continue working, but it started raining. I don't want to get the camera wet, so I guess I'll continue tomorrow, because I honestly don't want to get the camera wet. It's already getting wet, so let me shut this down and I'll continue tomorrow. Okay, so good morning, guys. It's Sunday. You know, yesterday I wasn't able to keep on going because it started raining, and I didn't want the camera to get wet. It was actually already getting wet, so I put it inside. I was able to put some of the trusses, or I was able to put the trusses up and welded the frame. I didn't buy enough square tubing, so tomorrow, today is Sunday, I can go get some more square tubing because the warehouses are closed, and tomorrow I'm gonna have to go get some more. What I'm gonna be working on today, I still got some square tubing, and what I'm gonna be working on is on the walls. So maybe I can put the walls up today, and tomorrow when I get a chance, I can go get some more square tubing to finish the roof, or the roof. So yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys outside, and again, all you're gonna be seeing is a time lapse. So I'm gonna take you outside. Okay, so that's it. That's what I can do for today. So you can see, can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So as you can see, that's gonna be it for this video, for today at least. Later on I'm gonna come back and do the sidewall or the tin on the walls. And I don't have much to do, it's only gonna be 2 walls, and then I gotta buy some more metal for the roof. And but again, it's Sunday, I can't go buy that today. I have to wait till tomorrow. I don't know if you can see, my trailer's empty now. There's no more metal. I have to go buy some more. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Goodbye now. So hey guys, it's a really nice, beautiful day today. I'm almost done with the siding or the sheet metal. I already started on the roof. As you can see, yeah, right there. So all I gotta do is this side right here. Because of the coronavirus, a lot of the businesses are closed, so I can't buy any more metal right now because the store's closed. So what I ended up doing is putting, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, right here it's 2x6s instead of metal. So what I did is I left the space in between. What I'm gonna do is once the store opens, I'm gonna go back, buy some more metal and run it right through there and weld it from the bottom, just to give it a little extra strength. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna finish doing the roof, and then I'm gonna do the flooring. I have to go get some flooring. Hopefully Home Depot stays open so I can go buy some wood for the flooring. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. And then once I get the flooring in here, since I can't buy any metal for the front and the back, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the machine in here. The main thing is to keep it from getting wet and you know, getting rain on it. And so once I put the roof, then the machine will be safe in here where it's not gonna get wet. So let me get the rest of the tools so I can cut the sheet metal. As you can see, I already got some right here, but I need to cut them to so they fit in the roof. So let me go get the rest of the stuff. Okay, so we're gonna do this last. Oh, not last. Okay, so we're gonna do this cut for the roof. And when cutting metal, you gotta be careful. Make sure you wear eye protection and gloves. This stuff gets everywhere. I think I need to get a new blade. that's it. Hey, Miss Han up there. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna work on the flooring, but I don't know when that's gonna be. So that's gonna be the end of this video, and then I'll probably record when I put the flooring and then when I put the machine back in here. Also gotta do electrical, but for today, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. See you later now.